I asked ChatGPT for a deck wash recipe using ingredients that I could find around my home. The recipe it gave me is really cheap, so we're gonna mix up a batch of this stuff and do a side-by-side comparison on my old deck. So this is the deck we're gonna be trying the recipe on. It's really old, it's covered in green algae, the boards are weathered in gray, and it also has remnants of various stains and clear coating from over the years. Now first I want to make sure I get all the sand, dirt, and leaves off of the deck and out from in between the cracks, because I do store some firewood on here sometimes in the winter, and so it's covered in little debris. The recipe it gave me costs a fraction of any deck cleaner that you would buy at a normal box store. It has 3 ingredients, the first of which is water, and the other 2 are things that most people have laying around their house: dish soap and sodium percarbonate. This stuff is also known as oxygen bleach, and you can buy it easily on Amazon. I'll make sure to put some links in my video description that you can go and check out. I had this stuff laying around in my basement and didn't even realize it, but OxiClean's primary ingredient is sodium percarbonate, so that's what I'm going to use. Now it's telling me there is a special way that you have to apply it, but first let's go over how it's actually made. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of sodium percarbonate per gallon of water and a tablespoon of dish soap per gallon of water as well. I'm going to be using this Chapman sprayer to apply it. These things are really great. If you don't have one for around the home, I highly recommend it. I'll post a product link in the video description as well. They're not that expensive. So ChatGPT is telling me there's something very specific that we have to watch for while we're doing this. But the game plan is I'm going to use these 2 strips of wood to make 3 separate sections. In the first section, we're going to use just water with scrubbing. In the middle section, we're going to use this concoction that we've made along with some scrubbing. And then in the final section, we're going to use just the concoction. We're going to let it sit, but we're not going to scrub it. Now the next step is really important. I noticed as soon as I sprayed it on, it started to react right away. So we want to go ahead and let this stuff stay wet and sit on the wood for at least 30 minutes. The longer, the better. The trick is to watch for the color transfer in the bubbles, and that way you can see that it's actually started to remove all of the gunk on your deck. I waited about an hour and then I went out and gave the 2 sections a good scrub to see how they turned out. So the section that I used just water and scrubbing, there was no real difference. And then the section where I only sprayed the cleaning agents on, but with no scrubbing, also didn't have any real effect. But the area that I did scrub after I let it sit looked remarkable. I was kind of really surprised, and I don't think I'll ever be buying any more commercial deck wash ever again. This whole thing cost me probably about $3 in cleaning chemicals. That little tub of the OxiClean is like $10. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If this is something you would try on one of your decks at home, please don't forget a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.